What's good?
Yo.
What's good?
The nigga J Smooth. Operation. Nigga Cell.
It's your boy Cell. What it
Rep
do?
that New Jack City.
New Jack all day.
Shout out. New Jack got new page and shit on
Yeah,
Facebook.
shit.
Adam.
Let's get it.
Adam. But nah, man. Me and my nigga Sally, nah, I mean, was listening to our cast in the car.
Yeah.
You don't know the song. She can do this. She can do that.
That
That's not
wave
even
joint,
cast.
like the
That
wave.
shit, them. That all the haters burnt up. But nah, check it. I feel like we close as hell.
He is. Yeah,
Check
it's
it.
your boy Cell. I mean, we just a little.
Just closer for the people. Nah. Closer.
Yeah, right there, right there.
But yo, check it. We also here to rep that New Jack. New Jack City, New Jack
May
City
28th.
party, May 28th.
You already know.
Hotel shit's gonna be popping. You already know, ain't no hot spot, nah, I mean.
Nah.
It ain't the hot, you ain't gonna be sweating, but you gonna be sweating being tired from dances and shit. It's gonna be mad people in the hotel, nah, I mean. Some people
Got
stay
like-
the night,
we
but we
got-
don't got room for all that.
We
So,
got
nah, I mean, if you-
we got
Oh,
10
oh.
rooms. We got
Oh.
10 rooms in the
fuck it,
loft.
10 rooms in the
In the
loft.
A little dance floor for y'all. You mean get your thing
And I
on.
tell y'all
Party
niggas-
8 to 12. After party, you already know.
After party and in the morning, niggas already know. In
You
matter of
already
fact, it ends. The after party ends when you wake up the next morning to go home.
The after party's 1 o'clock to whenever. That's what it say. That's what it do. You feel me?
And for y'all people out there, know what I mean? Because I know y'all niggas gonna be like, oh, 10 rooms. I'm gonna try to get in there. Nah, don't even try. I'm gonna save you the time now. Just
Yeah.
get money.
Get money.
After you get money, buy your own hotel room that same night. Book it in advance if you want to be smart.
Yeah.
You can take
Feel me?
anybody you want to your room.
Exactly.
No hassle, no hustle. Fuck it, you could be in a party and be like, nah, you know, I'll go with this breezy real quick. So it's come back to my place. Taking back to the crib, back to the crib.
Yeah.
I mean,
like,
I'm gonna bring everybody that I know. Know what I mean? I'm gonna try to bring all my female lady friends, all my niggas is pretty much gonna be there. So no special thing. I got all girls. Nothing's trying to say that, but I'm bringing all my female friends. Hope all y'all ladies hear me. Come down to the spot. It's gonna be hot. I promise you that. I don't ever rep parties like this. I don't ever rep a party. You just see me there, and if I'm there, I don't never rep it. I promise you. I promise everybody. Promise all my niggas there'll be females there.
Yeah,
Promise all my females is my niggas there.
But yeah, we signing off. You know what I mean? We just want to promote the party. You know how we do. We signing off. It's your boy Cell.
Holla, you boy Smooth. Know that.